Hiya, it is Jimmy here. Today I'm going to show you how to make your hair curly without using an iron or a curling iron or hair straightener, what? Or anything like that. You just need these. This works best with wet hair, especially if you let it dry overnight, and when you wake up in the morning and open your hair, it's all nice and curly and stuff. But you can do it on a dry hair, it's just enough said. I'm going to start from the back. I'm just going to, I have pulled my hair on my left side, so I'm just going to start from the roots and slowly work my way towards the end and make a couple of small braids on my hair. Depending on how dry your hair already is, this might take for a couple of hours till the next day. So this isn't the fastest process, but I'm in no hurry, and if you're in no hurry either, then so yeah, there it is. I put on some pins to keep the hair out of my face. So now we just wait that the hair dries and we'll be back then. Okay, so now it's the next morning. So now it is time to take these braids off. If you don't like to wait till the next morning, you can probably speed up the process with a hair dryer or something. So yeah, I got this really puffy, kinda curly, yeah. I brushed it because otherwise it would have looked really fucking weird. Yeah. But this is how it looks like. I hope you guys can see. And yeah, so now you can style it however you want. I will just leave it like this, or maybe put on some hairspray here so it stays like that. This is a really messy look, maybe? I don't know, it depends how you want to style it. It might look a lot more different and more neat with longer hair, but because my hair is really short, as you can see, especially at the top, it is slightly difficult to make it look not too messy and puffy and stuff, but I like it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know some people may be like, hey, this is kind of obvious that you can do this, but some people may not know that you can guys with small braids. I don't know, and I'm super bored because of this fucking quarantine. Like, come on. I just want something to do, and yeah, so that's why I made this, and yeah, I don't even know anymore. I will see you guys in the next video, and so on. Bye bye.